Now over there are 3 animals that I can see against the mountain, and I'm not even going to try and zoom in. But what I'm going to try and do now is to see if I can send the drone out there. Pendennis Farm. Look at the horses. Okay, I'm so worried because, okay, let me tell you what our trip is about today. We are headed to, what is that place? Is Bushman's Kloof? What? The Galg?
Bushman's Kloof die Galg.
Yeah, Bushman's Kloof die Galg. We're heading to Bushman's Kloof die Galg today.
Which is Bushman's Kloof, the gallows.
The gallows. Okay.
I think.
Yeah. I want to close the window. It's about 150 kilometers, I think, 147 to 150 kilometers to get there, but I'm hoping there's a lot of gravel road that we're going to be traveling. But I don't know how many shops, and we're going to go through McGregor. McGregor is very close to the Bushman's Kloof place where we're going to be staying. And I didn't plan properly to buy anything, so we're heading back to Villiersdorp quickly to go and buy some cool drinks and food and stuff for lunch and things like that, so in case we don't find a place to eat. So
It's only 10 k's.
only 10 k's back to Villiersdorp, quickly go and buy some things, hit the road toward toward McGregor and then Bushman's Kloof die Galg. The skies are so clear today. It's like the wind's blowing heavy, but look how beautiful that is. Okay, yeah, we're arriving back in Villiersdorp. Okay, we got some snacks and foodies for the road and something to drink until we reach McGregor so that we can stock up for the evening.
Yeah.
So bye Villiersdorp. We're back on the gravel road that's going to take us all the way to McGregor. Now this is going to be a long one on gravel. I think it's going to be way over 100 kilometers, I think. Just gravel road, so
We're smiling.
we're smiling and we'll share exactly what we find along that's interesting. Yeah, the wind is very strong. Look at this. This is pretty.
What a little oasis.
Oh. Oh, there's a spot to be able to go in here. Look there. Hey! This is beautiful.
Quiet road this, eh?
Very quiet.
Have we passed one? Has one vehicle come?
Just one there
From
where
the
I was
front.
standing by that little dam with all the reeds.
Oh, was there one?
There was one car that passed us there. Are those pretty flowers again, eh?
Oh, but we haven't seen the coconut ice one again.
No,
That I love.
this is pretty, eh? Wow.
Do you remember the coconut ice
Yes,
one where
it's
they
the pink
mixed
and white.
the pink and white one? Yeah. That was special. That's pretty, eh?
Very pretty.
Nice and bright. Okay.
Doornrivier handelshuis.
And we just passed the Bakleigat winkel.
Winkel, ja. Niks van 'n aardstein. Hi. Can I ask you a question? What is this area called? Doornrivier. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so it's called Doornrivier.
Ja, well,
Okay.
therefore the Doornrivier handelshuis.
Yeah,
That would make sense,
that does
right?
make sense, yeah. Check. Dust
This
for
is...
5 kilometers.
Now, kijk, look, this is the best sign ever.
This is our sign. Okay, so let's go and make dust for 5 kilometers.
5 kilometers too late, too little. It's too short. Vineyards, eh?
Galore.
Oh, there's water.
Look, wow. Look at this.
This is quite cool.
Pretty. Wow, this is on your side. It's very pretty.
Yeah. It's always pretty on my side.
This is so pretty and peaceful. Listen to the birds.
Dust for 2 kilometers.
Yeah. Interesting sign that. I love the sign. But I want to know what makes
These 2 kilometers.
these 5 kilometers that we've been doing now, and now these 2 kilometers, worse than the ones we've been doing all along.
Dustier than the rest.
I don't know what to say. Surprise, surprise. No wonder they've been warning us about for 2 kilometers, because the gravel road ended. I presumed, and this is what presumption does to a person, I presumed this whole road was gravel. Meantime, they've been telling us it's ending in 2 kilometers, in 5 kilometers. So there you go.
They're giving the people hope that the gravel is almost over.
And we disappointed and didn't even realize that the gravel was going to end.
It's funny.
That is funny, eh?
Skerpen, ja.
Aha.
Potholes.
Potholes. Look at this. I wonder how old this thing is. Wow. They should have had that sign for 5 kilometers, dust for 5 kilometers on this road, because there's mega dust on this road.
But they have a pothole sign instead.
And I
Where are the potholes?
haven't seen a pothole yet. We've learned to know these fences already with our travels. They must be keeping some kind of animal life behind these fences.
Now it's a question of spotting this animal life.
Yes. Whoa! I want to take that road up there. I want to try and zoom in. You got to see that road. I just stopped that road going up there. I don't think the quid would make it. I'm going to try and zoom in that you can see it. That would be an incredible road to go out.
That seems very steep there at the top, eh?
Telling you, that's four-wheel drive for sure. Now over there are 3 animals that I can see against the mountain, and I'm not even going to try and zoom in. But what I'm going to try and do now is to see if I can send the drone out there and see if I can see what they are.
We think
We
they are either what?
Eland or kudu.
Or zebra.
Or zebra. It's like
Let's see if we're right.
yep. As you can see on the drone footage, that I could see that it was zebras.
Luckily we had 3 guesses.
Yeah, and one of them was right.
Hey!
One sheep up there. Looking at us. Ah! I saw this area, it's close to Robertson, it's called Middle Bosjesveld. Now I want to go and explore. It looks like quite a big farming area, but I can't I tried to Google and find some information about it, I couldn't get anything.